Hi there, I'm Elephant, and I have big ears and a long trunk.
I'm the cheetah, the fastest runner on land.
Do you want to know how I was able to generate that educational content right there for kids? Then keep on watching. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So first of all, we're going to be going to our ChatGPT to generate the prompt, to get our prompt, send in the prompt, and then see what ChatGPT will give us. So I said list of 40 different animals, and this is what it sent to me. Some of these animals, I've never heard their names before. Okay, let's continue. So I'm going to send you this other prompt again. Based on the list of animals, write me a short kids lesson where each animal is introducing itself to the kids. Okay, so it's going to send that to me, and we're going to see what it says. Okay, so narrator, hello kids, today we are going on an adventure to meet 40 amazing animals from all around the world. Let's say hello to our animal friends. So these are the animals introducing themselves. Hi there, I'm the African elephant and I have big ears and a long trunk. Okay, so which one is Bengal tiger? Okay, so the giant panda and the rest. So I gave it another prompt again. Give me prompt I'll use to generate images of each animal facing the camera with a very happy face. All the animals must have features like leg, arms, ears, mouth, noses, etc. So now it has generated this prompt for me because this is what I want to use to be able to create the picture of the animal. Okay, so this is the prompt is sent to me, and then it's going to give me an example. So it's giving me an example for a panda now, a front facing full body illustration of a giant panda with a very happy facial expression. The panda is smiling brightly and looking directly at the camera. So this is it, right? So it says you can replace the animal name with each animal on your list and use the same prompt for consistency across all images. Right, so now I'm going to be using this for the example for panda. So I'm just going to tap on that and then copy that. Okay, so that's what I'm going to be doing. So I'm going to copy this. So I'm going to use for panda first, for the giant panda. Then the next one will just clean where there's panda and then fix in another one. So now we'll go to our Google. So go to Google, all right, and so we're going to be using a website called Design AI. So you can see what I'm writing there, Design AI. So just tap on that and then it will take us here. Okay, so this is where we're going to generate our 3D image. This is where we're going to generate it. So this is how the Design AI look like. All right, so this is what we're going to be doing. So we're just going to generate the image from here. All right, so let's tap. Okay, so right now I want to change the title of that. So I'm going to just tap on that title up there and change the title. So I want to change the title to kids lesson. Okay, kids lesson. So let it be on 16:9. Your own can be on 9:16, 16:9. Anyone, depends on the platform you're going to be fixing this. Okay, if it's on YouTube, it's 16:9. All right, so now then tap on this image, text to image. Okay, at the left hand side, text to image, you will see there. Once you tap on that text to image, it will bring this to you. Okay, you will see so it says describe what you want to create. So that's what we copied from ChatGPT. That prompt you copied, we'll come and paste it here, like exactly here. Okay, so this is the prompt I'm going to be using because once it said the style is cute, colorful, and slightly cartoonish, but realistic enough to recognize the panda. Okay, so this is it. All right, okay, so let's keep going. Is there anything else? So I just tapped on generate. Once you tap on the generate, it will start generating. So let's see. Whew. Okay. Oh, all right, text image is generating already. So let's be ready to see our panda. And here goes the giant panda. Okay, so I didn't really like the background, so I had to change the background. So down I just fixed in the background is a vibrant farm. Okay, vibrant farm, green field, and a clear blue sky. All right, I didn't like the background was too plain for me, so I had to go there and change and write this other prompt for the background. Okay, add it to the rest prompt. Okay, so I'm just going to tap on generate and it start generating again for me. So let's see the background it gave us now. All right, boom, yay. I think I actually love this background. I love this background. Yeah. So you can download it. Okay. So just tap on, so, okay, file type and the rest. Okay. So you can just download your file. Okay. You can just download your file. So, like I said, to do the next one for the next animal, just come to your prompt, this prompt that we have already. If I want to do for, let's say, cheetah or elephant, I can just come to where the giant panda, okay, where they said of a giant panda, you change it to cheetah, all right? Then anywhere you see panda, just change it to cheetah. Like this other one, they said the panda is smiling brightly and looking directly at the camera. Change that panda to cheetah. So instead of going all over again to start editing or whatever, just do only this, okay, in order to maintain consistency, all right? Okay, so this is it. So now once we're done with this, say tap on your generate and then it's going to give you the picture of a cheetah, right, with the exact background that we had for the giant panda. All right, so let's say it's generating now. So let's just have a look at it. Yay, and here it goes. Okay, so it actually gives two images. All right, so you see there are two images, so you can choose one from here. See two of them, so you can choose any one from here that you prefer. Okay, so now let's go and generate the voiceover. Okay, generate voice. So we'll go to 11 labs, go to Google, go to 11 labs for that one to get our voice text to speech. Okay, so now text to speech, this is where we are going to 11 labs. So before that, we have to go back to ChatGPT because I said these animals to be introducing themselves, right? So this what ChatGPT give us for their introduction, like this African elephant now. Hi, okay, let's go with. I think we should go with which one should we go with first? Should we go with panda? Okay, let's go with panda. Hi, I'm the giant panda. I munch on bamboo all day long. All right. So now this text, we want to change it to speech. Okay. So let's go to, we are going back to the 11 labs. So now this is the text to speech. Just paste it there. Once you go back to your Google 11 labs, paste it there. Then tap on this Rachel. This Rachel, so that it will bring out other voices. So we have grandpa's pause, Mark, and different ones. So I was just trying to see which one I would go for among all the voices here, right? But I ended up going for Mark. So I'll just add it to my voices down there. So add to my voices, and then let's see how it goes. Okay. So now tap on generate speech and hear the voice.
Hi, I'm the giant panda. I munch on bamboo all day long.
Oh, is this not just nice? This is really nice, right? So this is it. We've generated the voice. Okay, so just come here, change it to cheetah again, then check for the name, another voice, and then generate, and just keep creating till you get all the voices you want for the animals. Okay, so this is it. So now we are going to be animating it now, like for it to be able to talk, that lip sync, be able to talk as they say, to be talking as saying, hi, I am this. So go to Pixvex. So you can either use Pixvex, all right, Pixverse, all right, to create this, or you can go to Hydra AI. So here is Pixverse, where I'm trying to like this image or text can fixing the image, then put say happy partner talking to the kids, and then to just generate this for you. Okay, to just generate it for you, can tap on create to just create it, then be able to they'll start talking and saying exactly the same thing. All right, but so you can either use like I said, you can either use this Pixverse or you go to Hydra AI. So now let me go to Hydra AI and try it as well and see. So now Hydra AI, they say, what would you like to create? Video. So you tap on video, go to character, tap on character, then upload the image that you've created already. So I'm going to be uploading one of this image, and then we'll be using that. Okay, I uploaded elephant. Then audio script, go to upload audio. That means that audio that you've generated from 11 labs. Okay, that's the one we're going to be using. The audio you generated from 11 lab, that's what we're going to be using. Okay, and make sure it's the one for the elephant and not for the cheetah or not for the giant panda. So it's the voice of the elephant we're going to be using. All right, so I'm just going to select it. I'm just going to select that and let's see. Okay, all right, so this is it. Okay, this is a voice for the, so I'm going to tap on that add to video down there. Add to video. We see add to video. Just tap on that. Okay, so just tap on add to video. Okay, it has been added. So now they say prompt your character with emotions and gestures. All right, so now I'm going to be writing that happy elephant talking to the kids. Okay, so let's just do that. So now generate it. Just tap on that to generate. Happy elephant talking to the kids. Tap on generate, and then it start generating. So let's see it. Yay! And it has been generated. Let's hear it. Let's hear it. I'm going to tap on that. So okay, let's download it first. Upgrade to enjoy clean watermark free downloads. Most of them have watermark. If you are going for the free one, it has been downloaded. So
I'm elephant, and I have big ears and a long trunk.
can you see that? So isn't it just awesome? Isn't it just wonderful? So I really love this. So this is it for how to create it. So remember to subscribe to this channel. Don't just leave this channel. Remember to subscribe and enjoy the rest of the educational content.
Hi, I'm the giant panda. I munch on bamboo all day long.
Hi there, I'm elephant, and I have big ears and a long trunk.
I'm the cheetah, the fastest runner on land.